last I found my muse. Every heartbeat speaks of you. Through the journeys I take, the stories I tell, your love is the rhythm, it weaves the spell. From the books I've read to the skies I roam, your embrace feels like my home. Inspiration and hope, your light shines on. With every step you make me strong. From the books I've read to the skies I roam, your embrace feels like my home. Inspiration and hope, your light shines on. With every step you make me strong. MGK, the wise one, love's guiding light. Through the storms of life, you make it bright. MGK, the wise one, your name's my song. Together we'll journey forever strong. Every lesson learned, you're the voice I hear, teaching me to conquer every fear. From the pages of life to the stars above, you show me the meaning of true love. Inspiration flows like rivers to the sea. Your wisdom and strength set my spirit free. With every story, with every dream, your love's the force behind my beam. MGK, the wise one, love's guiding light. Through the storms of life, you make it bright. MGK, the wise one, your name's my song. Together we'll journey forever strong. Motivation, education, tales untold. Traveling the world, your hand I hold. In every horizon, in every sunrise, your love's the truth, it never lies. MGK, the wise one, love's guiding light. Through the storms of life, you make it bright. MGK, the wise one, your name's my song. Together we'll journey forever strong. So here's my heart in this melody, a song for you, my destiny. MGK, the wise one, you're the chosen one. Our love's a story that's just begun.